Do you want to invest in the Colombo Stock Exchange? If you have always thought of investing in the Sri Lankan stock market but didn't know how to do it, in this video you are going to learn everything you need to know in order to get started. Coming up. First, let's learn what a stock is. A stock is a small piece of a company. When you buy a stock from a company like Hayleys or John Keells, you are going to get a small piece of ownership for that company, right? So that's what a stock is. Stocks are known in different names. Some call them equity, some call them shares, but it all means the same. So why do companies issue stocks? Now, for every company to grow and expand, they need money. And there are two ways a company can find money. First is called borrowing, that is also known as debt financing, and the second option is issuing stocks. This is known as equity financing. The first option is borrowing money. A company can always go to a bank or any other lending agency and borrow money. Now the problem with this is they have to pay an interest. Of course, you know that if you get a loan from a bank, you are supposed to pay an interest. Now the first option is expensive for companies. The second option is issuing stocks. This is also known as equity financing. Now, when a company issues stocks, they are giving a part of their ownership to the public for you, to investors, and in exchange, investors pay them money. When issuing stocks or giving away their equity, the company doesn't have to pay an interest to the investors. But keep in mind that they are giving a part of their ownership to the public. So that's why companies issue stocks to find more money so that they can grow and expand their business. Right, the next question is, how do you make money in stocks? Well, there are two ways you make money in stocks. One is called capital gains and the other one is called dividends. First, let's look at how capital gains work. Imagine you are buying a stock from a company for 100 rupees today, and after a couple of months or maybe a year, let's say the price increases to 125, right? So if you decided to sell it at 125, you are going to make a little profit of 25 rupees, right? That is going to be your return. That's called the capital gain. A capital gain is the difference between the selling price and the buying price. In this case, the selling price is 125 and the buying price is 100 rupees. So the 25, the difference, that's going to be your return, and this is known as a capital gain. The second way you are going to make money is through dividends. Now, most companies pay a part of their profits to their shareholders. Now, this can be quarterly, it can be biannually, or it can be annually. For an example, let's say Hayleys pays a dividend of 5 rupees annually for every share or for every stock that they have issued. Now, if you have 1000 stocks of Hayleys, annually you are going to get 5000 rupees as dividends. So that's the second way you are going to make money with your stocks. So that's how you make money by investing in stocks. You are going to make capital gains as well as dividends. Now, what's the downside of investing in stocks? Well, there's a probability or there's a chance that you might lose your money. Let's say you buy a stock for 100 rupees and down the line, maybe after a couple of months, let's say the price goes down to 75 rupees. Then if you decide to sell, you are going to lose 25 rupees. Why? Because the buying price is 100 rupees and the selling price is 75. So the difference is minus 25. So that's the downside of investing in the stock market. Of course, there's a chance that you might lose your money, but with proper education and some experience, you can easily avoid this. That's what you are going to get in my channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Right, so next let's learn what the stock market is. Now, the stock market is the marketplace where buyers and sellers buy and sell their shares. The Sri Lankan stock market is known as the Colombo Stock Exchange. The Colombo Stock Exchange is obviously in Colombo. It's located in the World Trade Center and they have a couple of branches in Kandy, Mathura, Negombo. And if you go to the Colombo Stock Exchange website, you can find all the information. There are close to 290 companies which are listed in the Colombo Stock Exchange. Now, here's a pro tip. All the companies which are listed in the Colombo Stock Exchange are known as public companies. Why? Because the public can invest in these companies. Now, you can't go and invest in a private limited. For an example, my company is a private limited, and let's say you want to invest in my company, you can't go to the Colombo Stock Exchange and ask for my shares because my company is not listed. My company is a private limited. So you can only invest in public companies. Colombo Stock Exchange is a stock market, and other than that, there are a couple of essential players, or there are a couple of agencies who are supporting all these transactions. So let's learn a bit about them. First, we have the Security Exchange Commission, also known as SEC. Now these guys, they are the regulatory body of the Colombo Stock Exchange. Their job is to look at all the transactions and make sure that everything happens fairly as well as transparently, so that nothing shady is going on. They are there to protect the investors as well as everybody who is engaging in the stock market, and they make sure that there are no fraudulent or there are no manipulative procedures going on in the stock market. So that's the job of the Security Exchange Commission. Then we have the Central Depository System, also known as CDS. Think of CDS as the accountant of the stock exchange. They are responsible for maintaining, clearing as well as settling all the transaction that is going on in the Colombo Stock Exchange. So whether you buy shares or whether you sell shares, all those accounts will be maintained in the Central Depository System. And for anyone who wants to invest in the Colombo Stock Exchange, you need to have a CDS account. That's a must. So how can you open a CDS account? That's where stockbrokers come into play. So who are these stockbrokers? Well, they are the middle party that connects buyers and sellers as well as the Colombo Stock Exchange. Now, let's say you want to buy 100 shares of Dialog. You can't just go to Dialog in Union Place and ask them for 100 shares. That's not how it works. You can't also walk into the Colombo Stock Exchange at WTC, World Trade Center, and ask for 100 shares of Dialog. Again, that's not how it works. If you want to buy 100 shares of Dialog, you need to go through a stockbroker. That's how it works. So in a nutshell, if you want to buy or sell shares, you have to inform that you're a stockbroker, and they are going to correspond with the Colombo Stock Exchange and they are going to process the order for you. That's how it works. Even though we say stockbrokers, these are actually stockbroker firms, and currently there are close to 27 stockbrokers in Sri Lanka. Right, so now that you know what a stock is and how the stock market works, the next thing is getting started, right? So as I told you, first thing is you need a CDS account, and to get a CDS account, you need a stockbroker. When you register with a stockbroker, they are going to open a CDS account for you, and once that is done, you can start investing in the Colombo Stock Exchange. So how can you select a stockbroker out of 27 stockbrokers? Well, I have done an in-depth video on how to select a stockbroker in Sri Lanka. Click the YouTube card above, and I'll also add the link in the description below. Right, so that's how you get started investing in the Colombo Stock Exchange. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Nishan De Silva. I'm the founder of Jump.lk. Jump is a place where we teach skills and things that are not taught in schools or universities. So if you want to start your own business, learn about personal finance and investing, and ultimately create a great life, hit that subscribe button and also check out Jump.lk. Now, if you are serious about investing, I have a workshop for you. It's called Investing Essentials: How to Manage and Invest Your Money. If you feel like you don't have control over your money, and if you want to get started investing, check out my workshop. It's called Investing Essentials. This is a monthly workshop that I conduct. Check out the link in the description below and sign up for my next workshop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you know how to get started investing in the Colombo Stock Exchange now. The next step is finding a stockbroker. So click this video, check out this video where I guide you on how to select a stockbroker in Sri Lanka. And until my next video, keep crushing it.